Hey guys, this is Judy from Judy and Canela. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have live swatches on these beautiful neon nail polishes from Eternal Cosmetics. A little while back I was browsing on Amazon trying to find some new simple colors collections, and in my search results I had this brand popped up. It's called Eternal Cosmetics and they were offering this 5-piece collection for $10 and I was like, alright, let's give it a try. I love neon polishes and they came to $2 each, so I didn't really have much to lose. And guys, I'm gonna give you a spoiler alert. I love these. They are absolutely beautiful. I will leave for you everything in the description box in case if you are interested in checking it out. On Amazon they are showing sold out at the moment, but they usually come back. And I also found their website, and the polishes are about the same price on their website as they are on Amazon. I think the 5-piece collection was $11, so that's like $1 difference between Amazon and their website. This collection is called Girls Just Wanna Have Neons. As I said, it's a beautiful collection. My camera is going completely crazy. I hope it is focused enough so that you can see the colors, and all of these polishes also applied absolutely beautifully, but you will see that in the live swatches. If you do enjoy these type of videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on my future swatch videos, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would appreciate that a lot. Now let me jump into the swatches and then I will come back and give you a very quick review on these polishes. what did you guys think about these nail polishes? Aren't they just absolutely stunning? One, you do not need white underneath them, which is awesome. Two, they are opaque in 2 to 3 coats without any visible streaks or bald spots. And three, they are around $2 each. I mean, you can't beat that. You really cannot beat that. I am so happy that I gave it a try, and I also tried some of their other polishes that I found on Amazon, and so far I am very happy with everything that I put on my nails. I might be going in for more. But as far as this collection goes, I really can't describe how much I love them. I loved every single color. My favorite is definitely Carnival. That's the coral leaning one, and I also really like Crazy Violet because, of course, purple. You know this girl, she loves her purples. But even the yellow and the orange, they applied beautifully. And for someone who doesn't like pink polishes, I think this one is stunning. Like beautiful pink, neon pink polish. Give these a try. You can find them on Amazon, on the company's company's website. I will have everything for you in the description box. And I did purchase these polishes with my own money, and I would highly recommend you to give this a try because they are absolutely beautiful. Let me know which one was your favorite, and if you tried this brand before, or if you ever heard of this brand before. Again, I stumbled across this brand by accident, looking for something else, and this just popped up in my search result, and I couldn't be happier that happened because they're absolutely gorgeous. Anyways, I'm rambling. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.